Ever wondered how the human body is organized? Let's break it down. Everything starts with the cell, the basic unit of life. Think of it as the building block of your entire body. Similar cells group together to form tissues. For example, muscle tissue helps you move, and nerve tissue sends messages. Different tissues combine to form organs. Your heart, lungs, and brain, all organs with special jobs. Organs that work together form an organ system, like the circulatory system that pumps blood through your body. All the organ systems together make you a complete human being. From cell to system, it's a perfectly structured masterpiece. Cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, human body.
Let's dive into the nervous system. Your body has a secret superpower. It's called the nervous system, your body's communication network. It's got two main branches, one the central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord, the control center, and two the peripheral nervous system, the messengers running to every part of your body. It controls everything from talking, moving, feeling pain, heartbeat, to even your thoughts. Billions of signals fly every second, faster than any computer ever built. Reacting, adapting, protecting, it's your body's control, response, and survival system, all rolled into one. Your nerves never sleep. Cool, right? Next up, we will take a tour of the epic highway your every breath travels. Air rushes through your nose or mouth, where hairs and mucus trap dust like tiny bouncers. Cleaned air slides down the trachea, your personal windpipe reinforced with C-shaped rings so it never collapses, even during a TikTok scream. At chest level, it splits, left and right bronchi, branching into 30,000 plus bronchioles. Picture a tree flipping upside down inside you. Ends meet 600 million microscopic alveoli. Unfold them and you've got a tennis court-sized surface swapping O2 in, CO2 out 20,000 times a day. Every breath gets a backstage boost from the diaphragm, a dome muscle that drops like an elevator, sucking air in, then rises to push it out. So next time you breathe, remember, you're flexing the coolest life support system on Earth. Up next is the circulatory system. Ever think about what keeps your blood moving every second of the day? Let's break down the circulatory system. Meet your heart, a powerful pump, beating about 100,000 times a day. It pushes blood through a 60,000-mile-long highway of vessels. Three main vessels types. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. Veins bring it back for a recharge. And capillaries? They're the tiny bridges where the exchange happens. Your heart works with the lungs to swap out carbon dioxide for oxygen. Teamwork makes the dream work. Your brain gets about 20% of your blood supply. Talk about VIP treatment. Which organ pumps your blood non-stop, day and night? Drop your answer in the comments. Your circulatory system is your body's delivery service, fast, efficient, and always on time. Coming next is the digestive system. Ever wonder what happens to your food after that first bite? Let's take a fast ride through your digestive system. Digestion starts in your mouth, where your teeth crush food and saliva starts breaking it down. Yep, your mouth is a mini food lab. Next, it travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that pushes food to the stomach, like a water slide. In the stomach, powerful acids and enzymes churn food into a soupy mix. Think blender, but way more intense. Can you name the stretchy organ where food is mixed with acid? Comment below. Now to the small intestine, where most nutrients are absorbed with help from the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder, the ultimate digestive squad. Finally, the large intestine absorbs water and forms waste. Yep, you know what comes next. Your digestive system turns food into fuel, 24/7. So eat smart and aid your gut to work with efficiency. Up next is the reproductive system. How do humans actually make more humans? Let's talk about the most powerful system in your body without getting awkward. Quick quiz. Which gender makes over 1 million cells a day? Drop your guess below. In females, the ovaries release eggs, The uterus is the baby's first home, and the vagina is the passageway in and out. In males, the testes make sperm swimmers, stored in the epididymis and delivered through the vas deferens and urethra. When sperm meets egg in the fallopian tube, it's game on. If they match, a new human blueprint begins. But it's not just for making babies. Hormones from this system control mood, hair growth, voice changes, and more. Let's recap. Major players: ovaries and testes, uterus and penis hormones. Mission control. What's one fact you never knew about your reproductive system? Drop it below. Then comes the body's filtration system. Ever thought about how your body makes pee? Your body's got a 24/7 cleaning crew, and yes, it ends with a flush. Let's know if you've ever held in pee longer than you should. The kidney. Meet your kidneys, two bean-shaped bosses filtering 50 gallons of blood a day. Then the ureters, thin tubes sliding urine down like water park rides. The bladder. The stretchy bag holding up to 2 cups. Feels full? That's your signal. Then it goes out through the urethra. Shorter in girls, longer in boys. Facts. So what does it all do? Filters waste, balances fluids, and controls blood pressure. Crazy part? Your pee color tells you your hydration level. What color is yours right now? A recap. Kidneys. Filters. Ureters. Slide bladder. Tank. Urethra. Exit. That's your body's plumbing guide. Up next, a look at the skeletal system. What holds your body up, helps you move, and protects your organs? It's your skeletal system. A walk around the framework of the body reveals. Your body has 206 bones, from your tiny ear bones to your long femur in the thigh. They form the framework that gives your body shape and support. Bones aren't just sticks, they're shields. Your skull protects your brain, and your rib cage guards your heart and lungs. Bones work with muscles at the joints to help you move. Try bending your elbow. That's your humerus, radius, and ulna in action. Inside some bones is bone marrow, which makes blood cells. Yep, your bones are basically tiny factories. Which bone protects your brain? Type your answer in the comments. Your skeletal system does way more than just hold you up. It's your body's armor, engine, and even blood maker, so stand tall and thank your bones. Up next is the muscular system. Flex that arm. Did you know your body has over 600 muscles? Let's explore the muscular system. It is made up of 2 categories, the voluntary and involuntary muscles. 1. Skeletal or voluntary muscles. These are the ones you move on purpose. Running, jumping, dancing, they've got your back, literally. Examples: biceps, quadriceps, hamstrings. 2 smooth muscles, which are involuntary. You can't control these. They're found in your stomach, intestines, and blood vessels, quietly helping you digest and circulate. 3. Cardiac muscle, also involuntary, found only in the heart. It contracts nonstop to pump blood all day, every day. No breaks, no vacations, ever. Did you know? Muscles work with your nervous system. Your brain sends signals, and your muscles jump into action. Can you name the only muscle you control, and that works in pairs? Hint: you just used it to smile. Comment below. Your muscular system powers every move, every heartbeat, every breath. So go ahead, flex with purpose. Up next, let's meet your body's hidden defense squad. There's a whole system fighting infections quietly. Have you ever heard of the lymphatic system? Which fluid moves without a pump? Blood or lymph? Hint: it's lymph. The lymphatic system drains extra fluid, filters out invaders, and boosts your immune system. Lymph nodes equates to your body's security checkpoints. Have you ever felt them swollen when you're sick? That's them going full defense mode. The tonsils catch germs in your throat like bouncers, and the thymus. It trains T cells, your immune ninjas. Tonsils as bodyguards, thymus as ninja dojo. The spleen? It filters your blood and recycles old red cells, basically the body's cleanup crew. Lymph vessels, they run all over your body like backroads moving lymph, no pump needed. A recap time. Key players: lymph nodes, tonsils, thymus, spleen. lymph vessels, all working together to keep you healthy. Next time you fight off a cold, thank your lymphatic system. Next up, the immune system. Your body's got a secret army. Every day you're under attack, germs, viruses, bacteria. But guess what? Your immune system never sleeps. Your immune system is like a 24/7 security team, fighting off intruders and keeping you alive without you even noticing. Bone marrow, where immune cells are born. Thymus, where T cells get trained like little warriors. Lymph nodes, trap and destroy invaders. Spleen, filters blood and recycles old cells. White blood cells, your elite soldiers. Some attack invaders, others remember past ones and prevent sneak attacks. You've got two defense squads, innate, fast but general adaptive, slower but smarter. Together, unstoppable. Did you know your body remembers every virus it's fought? That's amazing. Ever got sick, then bounced back stronger? That's your immune memory kicking in, like, nah, we've seen this germ before. Bone marrow, thymus, spleen, lymph nodes, white cells. Your internal Avengers team, always on call. And the integumentary system. Do you know which is your body's biggest organ is? Nope, not your brain or heart. It's your skin. Let's talk about the integumentary system. Your skin isn't just for looks. It's your body's first line of defense. It blocks germs, balances temp, and keeps everything inside where it belongs. It's got layers, literally, epidermis, top, dermis, middle, hypodermis, bottom. Each one's doing serious work 24/7. And guess what? Your hair and nails are part of it too, like armor and warning systems. Sweating, that's your skin cooling you down. Oil glands, keeping you smooth and waterproof. Ever touch something hot and pulled away instantly? Nerve endings in your skin just saved the day. Look at your hand. See that fingerprint? It's 100% unique. No one else on Earth has it. Recap. Skin, hair, nails, sweat, and oil glands. Together, they protect, cool, sense, and flex. So yeah, your skin's not just a cover, it's a superhero suit. Your body has its own Wi-Fi network. The endocrine system through hormones. Ready for a tour? Quick! Have you ever felt an adrenaline rush? Those feels come from the endocrine system. 8 tiny glands, huge power. The pituitary gland. This peanut-sized boss in your brain texts every other gland, thyroid gland. Meet your metabolism's turbocharger. Too slow, you're yawning. Too fast, you're buzzing. Parathyroid glands. Hidden behind the thyroid, these 4 rice grains keep calcium levels tick-tock smooth. Can you spot them? Adrenal glands. Sitting on your kidneys, they drop adrenaline, fight, flight, or scroll. Pancreas. Hold up sugar packet. This gland balances blood sugar like a pro. Indicate if you love dessert. Ovaries, testes. They don't just handle reproduction, they power mood, muscle, and more. Pineal gland. Tiny nightlight in your brain drops melatonin so you can sleep. Guess what time your pineal peaks? Which gland surprised you most? Drop its emoji below. Thanks for tuning in for an insight on health. We hope to meet you in our next health tip session.